Hello, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2017 Sea Ray SLX 310 with the Outboard. Starting on the swim platform, nice wide platform, easy to access the boat from either the port or starboard, no matter what side you're tied up on. Nice little swim deck, drops down into the water, makes getting out of the water really simple. Still has a ladder just in case you want to use that, but sometimes a step a little easier to use to get in and out. Power plant. Twin Mercury 350 Verados. That's the supercharged L6. Very powerful, efficient, quiet. Barely even notice they're running. Nice thing about the back of this boat, really set up for entertaining. You have a nice sun pad facing aft with the loungers that drop down. Easy to lay out, sit up, watch people hanging out, swimming in the water. You also have a USB charger as well as a stereo control. Side walkthrough. Very easy. One step up, you're in the boat. You can see we have the nice sea deck down here. Very smooth, easy to clean, soft on your feet. Simple. So as you come in, port side, you have a nice entertainment space. We do have the refrigerator in here. Sink with a nice little wet bar entertainment space. Cockpit seating, very large, lots of room for 6 people in here, no problem. 8, 10 if you want to go a little bit tighter. There is a table that sets up here. Very nice addition if you want to put out a good spread. Simple, easy, great spot to hang out. Nice addition to this boat, we do have the Sure Shade. It's retractable, so it comes out of the hardtop, goes back, gives you a little extra sun protection if you spent too much time in the sun already. Moving forward to the helm. Nice electronics package, all touchscreen. You're going to have your GPS on here, engine management information, all the switching for the boat is built into the touchscreens. Really a nice setup, very great feature. Still going to have your vessel view on here, so you want to dig into more information about how the motors are running, what the fuel burn is, all that's going to be in there. This is going to be the joystick boat, so joystick docking, very simple. Just press it in the direction, that's where the boat's going to go. Along with that is your digital shift and throttle. Again, very easy, makes it smooth and consistent. One added bonus feature that comes with this setup, you do have skyhook. With the press of a button, the boat stays parked right where it is if you're setting up your lines and fenders, waiting for a bridge, waiting for a lock, something along those lines. Double wide helm seat, both port and starboard. You have these nice flip-up bolsters. So you want to get up above the windshield, sit a little bit higher, or if you want to stand at the helm, gives you a lot of versatility. SLX, you're going to have a nice head in here. Nicely finished, vacuum flush, sink. Great space, quite a bit of room in there. If you did want to use that for storage, also a great option for you. Inside the hardtop, retractable sunroof. So if you do want to get a little more sun, great option to have. As we move forward to the bow, you can see nice wide, easy to fit through up here. Bow seating, lots of it. Table sets up on either side, really wide facing forward. Drop down armrest. Again, really a lot of space. You feel like you're in the boat when you're running up here, not like you're going to bounce out of it. Very comfortable. Wind in your hair, definitely a place to be. This is going to have the standard windlass up front. Spotlight is a nice addition as well if you're coming into the dock at night. Thank you for viewing the walkthrough on the used 2017 310 SLX Sea Ray with the Outboards.